Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide photos in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application and now select photo or photos what you wanna hide. If you want to only one, just tap at this photo, then click at the three dots and click at the archive. If you want to select multiple photos, just select them, then scroll and click Move to Archive. Now your photos will disappear from the main photos feed, and you can check them if you go to the collections and then scroll down, and right here we have archive. So click at this line and right here we have these three photos. But if you want to extra privacy, you can move photos not to archive but to locked folder. So to do this you need to also select one photo, then click at the three dots, three dots, you need to select them and then, or only one, and then use this menu. So right here you will find Move to Locked Folder. Click on it, then okay, let's set up. For the first time we need to only enable or disable backup if you open this folder for the first time. So click turn on or do not backup, it's up to you. I want to backup my photos. Okay, let's repeat this process. So select, then move to locked folder, and then move. Also on iPhone it will ask you to delete them, but it's okay, don't worry, you do not lose them. On Android just move it to this folder. So on iPhone click delete, done. Then you can find these photos if you go to the collections, scroll down, click at the locked line, then open with passcode and write your password. And right here you will have these photos. Also, if you delete some photos in locked folder, so let's say you do something like this, you will permanently delete them. So normally when you delete photos from, let's say, photos feed, you will have these photos in the trash menu. And after 30 days, or if you back up your photos 60 days, your photos will remove permanently. But when you remove them from locked folder, it automatically removes them permanently. Also, you can move them back. It's up to you. You need to select photo and then click move. Move, and you will have them in the photos feed right here. As you can see, we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.